Having a visual overview of the properties in your portfolio is a great way to quickly see useful information. To view the properties associated with your portfolio, simply select Portfolio from the sidebar, then click Properties. The Properties page shows all the properties you've associated with this portfolio. Here, you could see some basic details about the property, such as the number of leases or tenancies on it, the number of tenants residing in it, the cost of the rent, and the rent due. Clicking on a property will take you to a more detailed page about the specific property. You can search for properties you have added to this portfolio by typing in the search box. You could toggle between all properties, occupied properties, and vacant properties using the tab on the top of the screen. If your portfolio has many properties, you might want to use the list view, which gives you a more simple view of your properties. You can also add new properties directly from this page by clicking the Add Property button.